Does the new flagship actually has better sound performance than the previous generation flagship? Now I have the OnePlus Buds 3 on my hand, and in today's video it's a bit different from usual. In this video I'll be doing a review of two earbuds. Yes, I'll be comparing the OnePlus Buds 3 and the previous generation Buds Pro 2 to help you understand the difference between these two earbuds in the most intuitive way. As always, we'll test and compare them in 8 aspects: design, materials, craftsmanship, noise cancellation, call quality, wearing comfort, audio quality, latency, and battery life. We also have a listening test in this video. Starting with the design, the packaging of the Buds 3 follows OnePlus traditional design language using a red and white color scheme with an earphone rendering as the cover. However, the Buds 3 box is about 25% smaller than the previous generation. In terms of earphones, the Buds 3 is slightly larger than the Buds Pro 2. The Buds 3 come in two colors, black and the new clear lake blue. I chose the latter. The Buds 3 has a thinner top cover than the Buds Pro 2, but the bottom is thicker. The hinge has changed from a metal hinge to a limiter plus spring design, making the opening feel not as comfortable as the Buds Pro 2. In terms of materials and craftsmanship, the Buds 3 replaces metal components with ABS plastic, including the hinge and the front cavity. It still features a coaxial dual dynamic driver unit, but with a slightly smaller size, 10mm plus 6mm, compared to the Buds Pro 2's 11mm plus 6mm. Moving on to noise cancellation, both earphones were tested using a pink noise at around 80 decibels. While the testing conditions are limited, the Buds 3's noise cancellation appears to be better than Buds Pro's 2. Call quality is impressive on both earphones, as demonstrated in recorded phone and voice call tests.
This is OnePlus Buds 3. This is OnePlus Buds 3. This is OnePlus Buds Pro 2. This is OnePlus Buds Pro 2.
For wearing comfort, the Buds 3 weighs 4.8 grams per earphone, slightly lighter than the Buds Pro 2's 5.1 grams. Both offer a comfortable wearing experience due to the shallow in-ear design. In the audio quality comparison, a blind listening test was conducted using PGVP Q3 and Earfree i3. The results revealed that the Buds 3's audio was slightly inferior to the Buds Pro 2. Latency testing showed that both earphones performed well, with the Buds 3 having a slightly lower latency. Finally, in terms of battery life, the Buds 3 outperformed the Buds Pro 2 with a total of 43.7 hours compared to 39.2 hours. To sum up, the Buds 3 is an excellent performer, surpassing the previous generation in many aspects. Although the audio quality falls slightly behind, priced at $99.99 it might be considered a bit expensive, but it provides consumers with another solid choice. In conclusion, if you prioritize audio quality, Buds Pro 2 remain the top choice, followed by the Buds 3. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving comments. I appreciate your support.